Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a blank name on CS2. Alright, let's get straight ahead to the steps. First thing you need to do here is to open up your game, of course. Then once you're in here in the lobby, just go ahead and click on your profile. As you can see here, there's an edit profile button right here. Just go ahead and click on it and it will redirect you to the Steam app. Alright, now the next step is to open up your favorite browser. And once you're in here, simply paste this link right here. Don't worry, I'll leave this one in the description. All right, wait for it to load. Then scroll down a bit until you see this section right here, how to make your CS2 nickname invisible. All right, as you can see here, there's an arrow keys right here. All right, just go ahead and hold and drag, right click, copy, go back to the Steam app, delete your name, right click and hit on paste. Once done, just go ahead and click on set name. And as you can see here, it says success. So go back to your game. As you can see here, it has not changed yet. So what you're going to do next is just go ahead and play a death match. All right, it's now loading. All right, as you can see here, my name is now gone. So if that particular, what you call this, area won't work for you, just go ahead and try this one. All right, don't include the arrows. Again, don't include the arrows. Copy, Control C, go back to the Steam application, delete, right click and paste, then set name. It says here success. Go back to the game and your name is gone. That's basically it. I hope this video helps them. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.